Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look here at the all-new 2025 Rpod 198 travel trailer. This is a smaller couples travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of run you through the inside and outside of the RV, show you what this thing's all about. We'll even show you at the end what it looks like with the slides all closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the all-new 2025 Rpod 198 15-year anniversary edition. And as you've seen on the outside, a new look on the outside. We're going to go over that when we get back out there. You're going to have kind of a newer floor plan for Rpod, this 198 model. It's not been out real long. But back here in the back side, you're going to have a little dinette area. There's an electric outlet down there that will also make into a bed, so you could sleep maybe a grandchild or a smaller adult back here as well. Window back there does open. You have some overhead cabinet space there for storage, and you're also going to have some little shelf space over here as well. They put these little bungee nets on here just to try to keep things from falling out in travel and accidentally getting damaged by the slide or something if you don't happen to see it when you're running the room in and out. Now up here in the corner is going to have your radio, so you have indoor-outdoor speakers and the iRV technology radio. You got your awning in and out button, slide in and out button, awning light, porch light, and an interior light switch button there. On your windows, they are currently using a pull-down nightshade here. The slide out system is basically a Schwintek slide. We'll close that up when we come back in. But right here, you got these two little removable swivel TV tray things that will also be a reclining theater seat right there as well. Now, right back in behind there, there's plenty of room back there where you could maybe stash something here as well if you needed to. The windows over here open, again, pleated shades on this side as well. The refrigerator is also part of that slide. That is a 12-volt powered 10.7 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator with the freezer on top, refrigerator part on bottom. Now over here, you're going to have a convection microwave that you can cook or microwave either one with. You do have 3 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers right here as well. Got an electric outlet here above the microwave. You also have a 2-burner gas stove up here as well with the flip up and down glass lid. The window back in behind there also opens. This is a very nice safety feature that they come with. This is the TST tire pressure monitoring system. Very nice here. Allows you to keep up what's going on with your tires when you're traveling down the road. You're going to also have your Connex smart TV here basically. I currently, doing a shameless plug here, have my YouTube channel up. We're currently at 57,800 and some odd subscribers. We are trying to get to 100,000. Hopefully we can get there someday. But if you don't mind and you want to keep up with some more of my RV videos, please remember to subscribe. Over here, you're going to have some storage over here. So you got a decent amount of cabinet space up there for some plates and dishes and stuff. You're going to have the large bowl sink with the high-rise sprayer faucet. And they also kind of put a little thing right here to basically hold your sink cover if you want to use it for a sink cover here. Or you could maybe use it as a cutting board or something if you wanted to as well. Nice little setup there. And then it just hangs back on the hanger. Has the little Rpod logo engraved into it down there as well. You'll see a little advertisement here that talks about the RV being equipped with a solar panel on it as well. This Rpod has a 200-watt solar panel. It's a 30-amp charge controller, so you could expand it up to an additional 400 more watts of solar if you wanted to. There's a propane leak detector and electric outlet down here. You're going to have your digital thermostat right here for your AC and also your propane furnace. Right here's that Go Power 30 amp charge controller right there. Looking up top here is your ducted AC. Does have the quick dump feature here, currently by Furrion, and it also has some AC ducts in different parts of the RV, as it does have a ducted AC system. That also has a speaker up there as well. And I did not remember if I mentioned that TV is 12 volt powered as well for you boondock campers. Some storage underneath the sink area. You're going to have a sliding door here for privacy between your bathroom and your living room area. When you're going into your bathroom area, you're going to have a large turbo exhaust fan up top here. You also have a skylight up above, ABS tub surround right here, and you have that pull across a vinyl door. You're going to have a foot flush toilet. Over on the other side here, you will have a central vac with the dustpan vac down below there, so you can just sweep things into it. Also comes with hoses as well. There is some storage, a couple drawers, and cabinet space here. There's a motion light down there as well. Traditional medicine cabinet over there. Moving between your bathroom and your bedroom here, you're going to have another sliding door for privacy. We have a Camper Queen bed here. This will raise up, so there is some storage underneath of there as well. You have an electric outlet and USB charger, and also a light switch for the closet lights as well. All three windows in here do open, and they have a pleated pull-down shade as well. Over here, you're going to have room for another TV if you want. So you got an electric outlet, the cable outlet there, and also a 12-volt outlet as well. You also have some little shelf space here. And again, they did those little bungee net things there to help keep things from falling off. There's also a speaker in here above my head. And then you do have this cool front windshield setup here. You can kind of see they're connected together at the moment, but there's a nightshade and also a screen. This window will actually open, so you can get a really good airflow here in your bedroom on those good spring days or fall nights or whatever, and maybe not have to use your AC. All right, now we are going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside of this RV, and then we will come back in and also show you what it looks like all closed up as well. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Rpod 198 travel trailer here. And as you can see, if you've been following my channel for a while, we've done some videos on the Rpods in the past that had a whole different look on the outside. So a new graphics package for the 2025 Rpod models. So we have a white fiberglass exterior, which is attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material instead of a cheap wood Luan backer. It is an aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall. You're going to have deep tint safety glass windows as well. Right here on the front side is a pretty good size pass-through storage compartment area right here. You can even see some of that aluminum tube framing up there. There's a motion light in here. There is actually a USB charger port here as well. And you also have a light switch there for the front cap light. The little frog guy has moved into basically a little camp area. This guy's been on the Rpods for many years doing different things, but this year they actually put him out camping with an Rpod. You're gonna have power awning with the LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting. There is a little griddle that comes with it. I did not get that out, but I did get the little table out for you to kind of see. But it just kind of hangs on the side, and there's a griddle that hangs here as well. And then right down below here, you can see there is a gas line hookup here as well. Also enclosed underbelly. Over here, you're gonna have your on-demand water heater. There is an electric outlet right here, and also a hot and cold outside utility shower right here as well. And then you have a couple outdoor speakers up there, a light out here, and you also have your stove exhaust up there as well. Now it is a dual axle unit here. So we're currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires. It has drum brakes, aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs on a leaf spring axle system. Over here, you're gonna have the heavy duty Lippert step here. Comes down, touches the ground. It does have adjustable feet, rated for 500 pounds. You have that black safety glass entry door with screen door. Does have the window in it, and again, it is Lippert thin shade ready. You have the large folding entry handle there as well. The unit has heavy duty scissor jacks on basically the four corners. So you're gonna have two in the back here and then two up front. You'll see when we get around to the front side. You're gonna have a traditional 4-inch square tube bumper right here. Has the spare tire mounted to that as well. It has prepping in the top left corner here for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder that you can do. Basically a telescoping ladder that'll allow you to get up and down on and off your roof to check it out. And then you can telescope it down, throw it in a storage compartment and kind of forget about it. You are gonna have also in the center up there, prepping for the Furrion rear observation camera. And that is a very nice safety feature that will allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. The furnace exhaust out down here as well. Now you're also gonna have a 30 amp detachable power cord right here that you can see. And that right there, next to it is also the cable inlet. So if you go to a campground, it has cable, or if maybe you have a portable satellite system that you take with you, you can hook up there. The slide out on this is currently using the Schwintek slide system, or Lippert in-wall slide system, some refer to it as. It is a 12-volt powered system that you push a button and it runs in and out. We'll show you what that looks like closed up here shortly. That slide is also pre-prepped for Soul Air Slide Topper. That's a nice awning cover that rolls in and out with the room, helping to shade the room. It repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. Just trying to help protect your slide out in general. Right down here is going to be a little motion light right here. So that's kind of neat. That's new for this year as well. There's also a black tank flush here to clean out your toilet system. You have hot and cold low point water drains down here. You have a galley tank dump and also a toilet tank dump as well. And then just right over here is the fresh water tank drain. Your city water inlet and your gravity fill fresh water tank are located right here as well. Now real quick, just kind of popping up some pictures here of your VIN stickers and stuff. This right here kind of tells you basically what the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line, and it also has the length on it as well. The next sticker here will tell you what the RV gross weight is. That's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Next is also going to be your tire sticker here, basically telling you what your tire sizes are on the RV and also your tire pressure. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure on the RV. Now you do have a very nice rounded front end here. You can kind of see this really bubbles out and slopes back to try and help cut back a little bit on some of the wind resistance that you get towing RVs. It has a very nice front window here that will actually open up. And again, you have that night shade or screen system already built into that window. That's very nice. You're gonna have power tongue jack with the light built in, manual override, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. It has a single 20-pound propane tank. Now some customers like to do aftermarket and upgrade to dual tanks or maybe even a larger 30-pound tank. Talk with your salesperson about that if something like that interests you. There's room for 1 or possibly 2 batteries to go here, depending on the size of the battery that you go with. It comes with 0 batteries from the RV maker. If you do purchase from Couch's RV Nation, it does come with at least 1. Right down here, that little yellow box is the repeater for the tire pressure monitoring system. Again, that's a great safety feature that it comes with. And you also have a battery disconnect down there as well. Lower diamond plate on the front section here. But overall, a very nice look for the new Rpod. Real quick, popping up a picture here of your roof. You can see things up there as far as like your Winegard Air 360 antenna, skylight up here, air conditioner up here, and even a 200-watt solar panel on top of the roof. Again, very nice setup here. Very important to make sure you get up here from time to time, guys, and check out your roof for maintenance and stuff. Very important to keep up with your seams and seals. All right, let's step back inside here real quick and show you what it looks like all closed up. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, guys, we are now back inside the new 2025 Rpod 198 travel trailer here. And I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like closed up. So when you are ready to close things up, you're going to come right back into here to your control panel with your slide button on it. And we're just going to push the in button here. Now this pretty much just goes straight in and straight out. Again, it's a 12-volt powered slide system. So it's pretty simple, as long as you got a good battery system to run in and out. So you can see when it comes in, it gets very, very close here. So it's very important, you know, to make sure your cabinets and stuff are all closed up properly. Now I can still come in here. I could load something into my refrigerator and everything as well. Same thing, freezer, got no problem getting in here. A skinnier person could squeeze in here and maybe use the restroom and stuff. But for us larger folks, you're probably going to want to bump the slide out a little bit. I could still come in, wash my hands. I could make something on the stove if I needed to. And again, load the fridge, but would have to probably bump it out a little bit at least to get in and use the restroom at a rest area or something. But as you can see, it goes in and out pretty quick and easy. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. As always, it is greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button, help out my channel. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV.